Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Miracola, fantasy artist and illustrator, and welcome to my Muddy Colors art tip of the month. Pre-gessoed, cut-to-size hardboards are very convenient, and they're a great option for anyone on a tight deadline or who may not have the space or tools needed to make their own boards. But you do pay a big price for that convenience. An 11 by 14 pre-gessoed hardboard can cost anywhere from $8 to $12. But with just a few tools and supplies, you can create your own hardboards for a fraction of that cost, and I'm going to show you how. First, I head to the art store to buy acrylic gesso. Then, I make my way to the hardware store to purchase a 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of tempered masonite. At home, I make all my measurements and pencil in my cut lines. A 2x4 will be used as the guide for my jigsaw. I measure the distance from the side of my jigsaw to the blade and make sure to move my guide accordingly. I then clamp down the 2x4 to hold it in place. Safety first, so wear those safety goggles. Once I've made my cuts, I sand the edges clean. I do this again and again and again. I wipe away any excess sawdust on the panels, then apply the acrylic gesso using a foam brush. Once that is dry, I sand the surface smooth and apply a second coat of gesso. My third coat of gesso is applied using a paint roller. Now this is optional. I like the slight orange peel surface I get from applying gesso with a roller. And there you have it. With just a few hours work and some inexpensive supplies, I was able to make 27 11 by 14 gessoed boards from that one 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of tempered masonite. So here's the breakdown. The acrylic gesso cost $29.99, but I had a Jeff Super Saver coupon for 50% off, so that brought it down to $15. And I used only half the container of gesso, so that brought it down to $7.50. The 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of masonite cost $6.25. The foam brush was $1. Paint roller, $4, for a grand total of $18.75. You divide that by the 27 boards that I made, and each board only cost me 69 cents. I managed to save hundreds of dollars by making my own painting surfaces. Now, you may not be able to make all your own art supplies, but creating your own gessoed hardboard is definitely something you can do yourself. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and save a little money in the process. Thanks for watching.